Well, a very good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. There are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. Has a goal! Marvellous goal!
And some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
In for the follow-up! Oh, he's managed to get himself offside.
These early exchanges have been frenetic. Looks like we have a proper game on our hands, Peter.
Gets it back. Rashford. Ronaldinho. Now it's Eto'o, and it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Eto'o. Check, will lay claim to that. Beckham. There has been just the early goal here, and the score is 1-0. He's gone for goal! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Up to meet it! They've scored!
Well, it certainly livened things up a bit, and that next goal now is absolutely crucial.
Great corner, and he did the rest.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus, and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Greenwood. Forlan. Goes for goal! Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Beckham. And Beckham! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
Rodri. And here's Eto'o. And they've been... Eto'o! He has done it! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Van Dijk. So midway through the first half, and it is a tight old tie. And it's Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho. Eto'o. Ronaldo is flagged offside. Wan-Bissaka. Scholes. Scholes plays it forward. Forlan. It's Forlan! It's in! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Quite a thriller this one's become.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Roberto Carlos goes on a charge down the left. Cross deflected behind for a corner. Sergio Ramos has given away a free kick. Now it's Eto'o. Eto'o! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Scholes. Greenwood. Forlan. Got a sight of goal here. Oh, he's got a crucial block in there. Ronaldinho. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Greenwood. Iniesta set up one goal so far. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Shot a goal! Forward it goes. Tries to get it forward quickly. Beckham. Good challenge, he just stood firm. He's got through, it's Eto'o! It's there! He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Eto'o has been menacing, and when you get a defence that's beginning to look a little bit disjointed, then he's exactly the type of character that's going to punish you, and he did exactly that.
And that'll be the last act of the first half.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period.
That gets things going for the second half.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk.
Ronaldinho! It's off target and by quite a way.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best.
Beckham. And he's there to cut it out. Rashford. And here's Forlan. He's gone for it! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
And it's been taken short. Looks to set one up. Oh, that is not what he intended. Trippier. Van Dijk. It's come loose. Scholes. Kaka. Going for goal! He's done very well to get to that.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Looks to clip it forward. And that has been clubbed away. Forlan in full tilt down the left. Van Dijk. Rodri. They are still trailing, and they require a change of fortune, pretty sharpish. Cristiano Ronaldo, cut out in the nick of time. He's had a go! And in it goes! And this is getting better and better.
Well, that defence just wasn't expecting their midfield to mess up then, so when they did, they were caught completely cold by such a swift breakaway and such a well-worked finish too.
Whistle's gone, that's foul. Trippier. Cristiano Ronaldo. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Hoists it forward. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldinho. It has, it's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's all has to go! And more, and more, and more! And they are cruising away. Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
So now the difference is 3.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
And he heaves it forward. And here's Rashford. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers. Ronaldinho gets the better of his man. Scholes. Rashford needed to come up with a better ball.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Real chance! Big relief, it just needed better contact. Beckham. Roberto Carlos. Who's ball? Who's going to get that? And the shot! Saved. It's good keeping.
Well, the defence are in a good position to get behind the ball and let them just try from range.
Roberto Carlos. And here's Ronaldinho. It's a brilliant interception. Wan-Bissaka drives it forward. Scholes. Played out to the right. Van Dijk. Rashford battles to win it back. Roberto Carlos. Oh, good interception. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Beckham. And it's Forlan. Rivaldo. Out to the left it goes. Big chance! Sticks it away! They're back within reach! What about that, Jim? So that's it. It is all over. It's a game memorable for its fluctuation in fortunes and astonishing turnaround. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Well, look, it was very one-sided. Their players didn't turn up for the first half, and then it all went downhill.